Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use Bootstrap in your Django project. It's really easy. Here you can see this is my project. The UI of this project is built in by using Bootstrap, but it's not working perfectly. Why? Because still Bootstrap is not included in the project. So let me show you how you can include Bootstrap in your project and start using it. It's really easy. The first step is open your project in your code editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio, and look for the index file or main file or base file. Basically, the file in your Django project which contain the main structure. Okay, main structure of your application. And after that, we just need to include Bootstrap CDN file in this. Okay, it's really easy. Let me show you now. Go to Bootstrap. I'm using Bootstrap 5. It's a latest version. Just copy this CDN. Copy this and go to text editor, and now here just paste it. Just make sure you have to paste this on your index file or base file or main HTML file basically. Okay, now just save this and let's see if it works or not. Refresh and it started working. So this is how you include Bootstrap in your Django project. If you have any other question, you can ask me on comment section, and there will be an article regarding this. If you still stuck, you can contact me via the form or on social medias. Thank you so much. Bye, take care, and you can check out my other tutorials also or other playlist regarding Git and front-end development and designs. Bye, take care.